niya kasi yun yung parang i-arouse ka para magising. So yun yung updates based on sa pakikipag-usap ko sa kanila.
Another question po. That's very big. Do you see yourself touching things up with BBM in the future? Do you see that happening?
Well, I believe, ma'am, that we reached the point of no return. I really believe that we have reached the point of no return. And it is clear, ma'am, na parang they are really going after me. At gusto talaga nila akong tanggalin sa posisyon.